Hi, I'm Tisham. I have been developing a series of energy monitoring solutions using the Atmel ATM90 series of energy monitoring chips. These chips are very high accuracy, but they are not easy to play with because the development kits using them are in the hundreds of dollars or $1,000 range. So I have made a breadboard compatible breakout that you can play with using a low voltage, plug into a microcontroller of your choice, and build a test circuit using several of them if you choose to. The other option is to have it in a feather ring format to go with the Adafruit Feather series of boards, which offer a big range of microcontrollers and network options, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, LoRa, and so on. And the highest end option of using this chip is in a sort of a professional format in a DIN rail box, which your electrician will be happy to install. It will work directly off 240 volts, will be double insulated, and but it will still be hackable and open source in the whole philosophy of building a hacker-friendly system where you can send the data to a server of your choice.